Helicopters right over the neighborhood. So what happened last night, basically, the tornado came from right over here. See it right there. You can see it swirling right there. And it came up here and then it went right over there. I was like, Jesus. He saved us. He saved us. Only damage in this neighborhood is one tree that fell down across the street, the neighbor's tree. But it was pulling, that wind was coming fast. There go another plane. They're all flying overhead. This neighborhood in back of us, totally devastated back there. Airport is right back here. About less than a mile back there, the airport, Jonesboro Airport is back there. And last night I was gonna try to videotape the tornado because I mean it was right here, it was right there, but it was so big and it was so massive that you didn't want to take your eyes off of it. You wanted to see it for yourself, and that's exactly what happened. But it was right there. It was right there.